Daniel's monthly diaper supplies have arrived. These are the bed pads. Those are like the cream and gloves. Those 3 are diapers. I do not bring boxes in the house. I unbox everything outside and bring it to its destination inside, where we store his diaper needs. Just take our